crop reports to stock reports, I'm Lena Sharp with PotNetwork.tv. We're your source for marijuana news.
And I'm Tom Chambers. In today's top stories, Attorney General Eric Holder has some words to say about the emerging marijuana industry. Advanced Cannabis Solutions is flying high following their market suspension termination. From top to bottom, through the financial sector of the government, people are taking a wait-and-see approach to the legalization of marijuana. This was never more clear than when the head of the nation's law enforcement, Attorney General Eric Holder, stated on April 14th that he was cautiously optimistic about the developments in Washington and Colorado, the only states where recreational marijuana laws are legal.
More specifically, his quote was, "I think, so far, I'm cautiously optimistic." For news even more vague, the Attorney General went on to say, "We've tried to adapt to the situation in Colorado with regard to how money is kept and transacted and all that stuff." All that stuff. Good to know the laws are in the hands of a man with a plan.
And now more stuff. At least Holder has opened his eyes enough to see that the decriminalization of marijuana may be a step in the right direction, even if he is unclear as to where exactly that direction leads. On the other spectrum, the head of the DEA, Michelle Leonhart, has repeatedly slammed the marijuana industry and its proponents. And when asked whether heroin, methamphetamines, and crack are worse for a person's health than marijuana, Leonhart refused an appropriate answer, stating only that all illegal drugs are bad. When pressed further regarding scientific evidence, Leonhart simply repeated her statement over and over and over. Leonhart has found herself in troubled waters for her behind-the-times statements regarding marijuana. A petition created by Change.org calling for Leonhart's firing has already reached over 30,000 signatures.
There is disagreement and confusion in the government about the new status of pot. While the president has made marijuana arrests a low priority, and Attorney General Holder is cautiously optimistic about legalization, the DEA is not following their lead. And as recently as earlier this month, Leonhart made statements reaffirming her fight against marijuana and promising the DEA would fight harder in the face of the new regulations and the federal government's lax approach to them. With our nation's leaders uncertain about the future, investors in the marijuana industry must also trade cautiously.
Next on PotNetwork.tv, CANN, we do it. Yes, we CANN.